halfway point. Cajun Invasion there in lane 2. Till the wind is definitely picked up.
Well, she died a couple of months ago. He died this morning. So I guess my mom
one of the kids never.
A little bit of a tailwind, almost more of a cross breeze, kind of working against these teams. And with 100 to go, Cajun Invasion, their invasion almost successful.
Almost.
A battle here for second in the heat. Slight edge for second right now for the Bogalusa Lions Scout Dragon Chasers. The Bogalusa Lions had a blazing fast 1:55 time earlier today. I wonder if they left too much out on the course earlier. We'll see what they put up. But right now, Cajun Invasion will not be denied. All right, great finish there for Cajun Invasion.
Good job. Good job.